Make sure to stay until the end. We're going to share a common mistake people make and they end up spending thousands of dollars on parts and repairs they actually do not need. All that will be covered in this video today. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick helpful video to any of you trying to find where the engine starter fuses and relays are located on GMC Sierra, that generation here from year 2014 to year 2018. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them, and if you need to buy guys replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. If you need to get some, that's where we get most of our tools and supplies from. Check it out guys. So let's start on it now. So before we start, let us tell you guys a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we guys do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. So let's go ahead guys and start on it now. So guys, what we need to check now, fuses and relays on that GMC Sierra. Fortunately for us, we work in a fuse box that's easy to get to, but you have 3 hidden fuse boxes that most people do not know they exist. That's why guys, we made a special video on our YouTube channel that's known as GMC Sierra fuse box location and diagram. Check it out, it can save you a lot of money. People told us it was very helpful and saved them a lot of money. Open the hood guys. Now under the hood here on the driver's side, that's a brake fluid reservoir. Right next to it you have a fuse box. Okay, you see right here, open that cover and underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the JK's fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. Here guys, we need to check one fuse, one relay. There will be differences now. That's a 2018 year model fuse box. They have 2 kinds, 2014 to 2017 and 2018. They changed things, but what you need to check now here for 2018 model, first we'll explain, is fuse number 11. Okay, right here, and then you need to check fuse, relay 68. 11 and 68 next to each other. They made it convenient. Now if you have a 2014 through 2017, let me see which angle is a little bit better. Either way, okay, let's zoom in. That's fuse number 11, but the relay now is known as 69 instead of 68. Again, those are the things that you will need to check. So guys, now you may have another place. Okay, if you open the hood, that's something that people don't know about, but on top of the car battery you see where the cables are. If you remove that cover, you have a fuse box. Let me show you what it looks like. Okay, 1 second. Okay, that's the fuse box, that's a positive battery terminal. You have integrated fuses too. If you have problems with the engine starter, those will be the ones that you will guys need to check as well. Okay, because you have up to 6 different fuses, so if you have a blown fuse here, your GMC Sierra may not start as well guys. That's the main fuse, main relay for the engine starter. If you have problems with it, always check ignition switch fuses and relays. And if you want to see how to test the engine starter, we'll have all these videos on our YouTube channel. So guys, this GMC Sierra has all kinds of different fuses, different kinds of relays, and those could be really hard to find. If you're in the middle of nowhere, you cannot find a replacement one, you may be stuck because of that. So we recommend guys, okay, to get some spare ones and put in the glove box for a peace of mind. We will share the information in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching, see you next time.